Hey, welcome back. That last one was pretty tough, let me tell you. Got another one of these screeny things. Let's just rip through this real quick. Okay. I gotta get out of here. So let's do this. Go here. And I'll try to explain a little bit more once I get myself ready here. Woo! Okay. Alright. Now, for you folks that are confused, you have a blue and a red portal place. Okay, there's a blue one and a red one. Okay, now you use them to go between places. Now watch this. See that? That's me going through both ones, so I can go in the blue, out the blue, whatever. So that's how this thing works. Kind of interesting, right? So you can go across. See that? Gives you just a little better idea. There you are. So you go through here, and there you are. Anyway, so that's how that works. Let's see if we can't get over this deal here. Alright, so we got a blue. Okay, what's this thing gonna do? Let's see. See, I can go in any wall and look down now. Let's see. Let's see if I can do. No, that's not it. So let's do a red. How's that? Oh, no, missed it. Let's do a red again. Come on. There we go. Red. Interesting. I gotta remember that. I always thought you had to alternate, but I guess not. Now this one was tricky. I had to figure this one out here just a minute ago, because I got this far and died. But so you can do all kinds of crazy stuff like this, bounce it around, right? Do this weirdness, right? Bounce it around. Here's what I found out. Okay, watch this. That's it. Oh, but hang on. That's how I did it last time. Is this it? Let's see. No. What was it? Was it this way? I think it was this one. Fire here. And there you go. Beauty. See that? Nice. And all this bouncing around. No. Now I gotta get back over there. Really? Okay, so let's try this. Let's go through do a red. Oh, I missed it. Got hung up. Alright, let's do let's try this way. Alright. Oh, I hit the thing. What's going on? I don't want to hit the thing. Yeah, that's about the best I can do. There we go. Woo, doggy. Okay. There you go. Anyway, so that's how this works. So now the trick is to see that. Now watch. Work my way around this thing the best I can without dying. Oh, I gotta get on there first. Oh no. Oh, that's the challenge. Thanks for staying with me so far. We'll be back. Woo, later.